This is my drawing of Coraline, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. And I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for highlight. We want to bring that in and then curl that back out, and then line it up on the right side. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the eyes in black. We want to go around that highlight. Now if you're done with the eyes, let's move to the center, step down and draw on the nose. We're going to start with a point. Now let's angle this up and out towards the left and then right side. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth. Starting on the left, let's curve this down and then back up. Let's go all the way up above the eyes and draw on the eyebrow. We're going to start on the left side. Let's bend this up and in, just curling that around the eye. Line that up on the right. Now that we've completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw two large brackets for the inside of the hair. So we're going to start from the top left. We're going to go around the eye, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right. Going all the way around the face, and then bend that in towards the same height. Now let's move up and draw a curve for the chin. We're going to come down underneath the mouth, across, and then back up. Let's add 3 freckles on either side. So underneath the eye, we're going to draw 2 points, and then one along the bottom. Let's go back up to the top and draw the edge of the hair. So we're going to start from this point. I want to curve this across, over towards the right, and then bend that up, bend this down, and then out towards the right. Now on the side of the head, we want to tuck the ears in behind the hair. So let's move out. We're going to draw another bracket, just following that same curve, coming down. And I'll tuck the ears in behind. From the top, step down, curl this around, and then back in. Now I'm going to go back up to that top point. Let's curve the hair. We're going to go up, across, and then down toward the left. Go back to that point, go up, and then out towards the right side. Let's go back to the left. I'm just going to round out the hair, come down and in behind the ear. Now I want to continue that curve underneath the ear, come down, and then in towards the bottom point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding this out, come down in behind the ear, continue down and in across the bottom. On the top left side of the head, we're going to draw that dragonfly pin. Start from the top, let's draw an oval, coming down and then back up. And we'll add 2 sets of wings on either side. So on the left, come around and then up, going the opposite direction along the top. And then going back to the left, we're going to draw a smaller wing across the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the collar. We're going to start over on the left, bend this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to draw in the hood, so we're going to start from that center point, bend this up and then out toward the left and right side. Round out the hood and then bend that back in underneath the head. Let's close this gap with another point coming down and up towards the hood. Now move underneath, curve the body, going out and then down towards the bottom of the coat. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Close off the bottom with a curve. And then in the center, we'll draw 2 lines coming down from top to bottom. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a gap on the inside. From the top of the foot, draw a straight line going up. And we'll curve the edge of the boot going up and then down towards the inside of the leg. From the corner of the boot, let's step in, draw 2 lines going up underneath the coat. Let's go back down towards the bottom. We're going to add thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across from toe to heel and heel to toe. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the arms. We're going to start from this point, then the arm going out, and then down towards the cuff. And same thing on the right. Now bend this down and then in towards the side of the body. On the inside of the cuff, we're going to come down and up for the thumb. Do the same thing on the right. Now go back to the left side. We're going to step out, draw the first finger, coming down and then up. I'm just going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Coraline. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.